Hello, assalamu alaikum. I'm Kanis Fatima. My ID is 192011132. Welcome to my presentation. So our project topic is home automation system, and we did our code in Arduino here. So first, I have defined the pin number here. For example, 10 pin as A1, buzzer pin as 5, light pin as 12, fan pin as 13. And as we use 3 sensor in our project, so I have initialized that light, smoke, and PIR sensor here. This is our setup pin mode, which we have initialized the pin number before. And here I have also initialized the serial beacon baud rate as 9600. And I have mentioned the delay as 200 here. And after getting all the values, we need to check on some conditions. So first I will check the PR sensor here. So if human presence is low, then it will give message there is no human in the room. The light will be off and the fan will be off and PR will be 0. That means there is no PR sensor working here. Otherwise, the human present message will be human is present, light message will be light is on, and PR will be 1. Here we also check the temperature. If temperature is greater than or equal to 25, then fan will be on and it will pass the fan pin as high. Otherwise, the fan message will be fan is off and it will pass the low fan pin. And next, we will check on the gas sensor. So if gas equals to high, the gas message will be smoke detected and fire will be alarmed. Here we give a buzzer, and otherwise the gas message will pass and there is no smoke detected and smoke will be 0. And here we will print the messages. And next we will check the humidity sensor here. So if humidity is greater than 70, then it will pass a warning that humidity exceeded the normal condition. Otherwise it will print that humidity is in normal condition. Lastly, we will print our necessary messages here, like temperature, smoke, humidity, PR, and gas message. And uh, our code will be finished. And that's all from my side. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm MD Abdul Kahar Siddiqui Shan. My ID is 183012221. Here I have used HRS 5030 humidity sensor. Is pin 3 is connected with 5 volt, pin 2 is connected with anode of Arduino, and pin 1 is connected with ground. After that, I have used LM35 temperature sensor. Is pin 1 is connected with 5 volt and pin 2 is connected with A1 of Arduino, and pin 3 is connected with ground. After that, I have used MQ2 gas sensor. Is ground pin is connected with ground and output pin is connected with A3 of Arduino, and BCC is connected with 5 volt. Here I have used a logic toggle, and this is the directory of our gas sensor. After that, in Arduino, pin 13 is connected with fan and pin 12 is connected with light. After that, pin 7 is connected with PIR sensor output pin, and in PIR sensor BCC is connected with 5 volt and ground is connected with ground. And here I have used another logic toggle. Here this is the directory of our PIR sensor. After that, pin 5 is connected with buzzer, pin 4 is connected with red LED, and pin 3 is connected with green LED. And after that, pin 1 and 0 is connected with 3 and 2 pin of compim. In compim, I have set the baud rate is 9600 and physical port is comp1. Here is the directory of inno.hex file. And after that, it's time to run our project. After running our project, we can see that there is no human in room and LED red is on. When I make it on, we can see that human is room and LED green is on and light is on. When I make it 0, there is no human in room. When I make it 1, the human is present. The fan is not running because the temperature is less than 25 degrees Celsius. So when I'm increasing the temperature, now I can see that the fan is running. So after running our fan, now let's check our gas sensor. When I make it 1, now I can see that smoke detected and fire alert. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is MD Amirul Islam Choudhury. Now I am going to describe the front view of the lab view. First of all, we have taken a table of control including 5 elements, of which the first 2 are date and time. The following 3 elements are temperature, smoke and humidity. Now for temperature, we have taken 2 elements which are a temperature thermometer and a LED indicator. Whenever the value of the temperature goes greater or equal to the level of 57, the LED indicator will turn from green to red instantly. Similarly, for the smoke system, we have a smoke bar, which is a vertical program bar, and a smoke chart. Whenever the level on the bar goes greater or equal to the level of 0.8, it will turn from green to red. Similarly, likewise for humidity value, we have a humidity meter as well. Whenever the meter goes to the value of greater than or equal to 80%, then the LED indicator shows red. For all of this connection, we have used two OR gates so that whenever the level touches the danger level, it changes its LED light from green to red instantly. So we have also used a while loop so that we can keep taking the inputs. So that's all from my side. Thank you all.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Hasim Ryan. My ID is 1930126. Here is the block diagram of our project home automation system. Here we have temperature sensor, humidity sensor, smoke sensor, and PIR sensor. These are the two actuators of smoke and PIR sensor. We have used Visa resource to select the COM port, and it is used for taking data input. The Visa clear is used to clean the buffer. For the establishment of the connection, we have used Visa open. Then the four read commands for PIR, temperature, humidity, and smoke. It is the flush buffer. To close the connection, we have used Visa close command. If there is any error command handles it. These are the byte counts. Here, the time delay function is 2000 milliseconds for the front panel view. Here is the array table. These four are used to convert the string data into number. This is the build array function. It takes the data of the table. For the table, first two pins of the build array function are for date and time. To get the date and time, we have used these, and to convert the value into string, we have used this one. Then the remaining four are for the string value of temperature, humidity, smoke, and PIR sensor. Then we have combined these arrays here. If the PIR sensor gets the value, human presence will be detected and the light will turn on. For the rotation of fan, both temperature and PIR sensor have to get the minimum value of 25 degrees Celsius and 0.8 respectively. Hence, we have used AND get here. Humidity sensor will read the humidity of the room and show it to the table. Fire indicator will beep if smoke sensor gets more than 0.8. To run it properly, we have set it to false mode. Thank you so much.
Now let's run our project. We can see that the table is updating here. Now let's start the proteus simulation. Now we can see that the data is updating here. Now let's make human presence on. The light is on. So human presence is on and the light is on. Now let's make gas sensor on, increase the temperature and increase the humidity. After that, we can see that temperature has increased, humidity is on, and everything is changing its value. So thank you everyone.